Hello everyone, welcome back to Expert Medical Coding. In today's video, we're going to start Chapter 5 Guidelines Part 1. First, I'll walk you through the guideline and then I'll explain it in more detail. So let's get started with the guidelines. Chapter 5 Mental, Behavioral and Neurodevelopmental Disorders, which covers from codes F01 to F99. And here is the first guideline. Pain disorders related to psychological factors. Assign code F45.41 for pain that is exclusively related to psychological disorders. As indicated by the excludes one note under category G89, a code from category G89 should not be assigned with code F45.41. Code F45.42, pain disorders with related psychological factors, should be used with a code from category G89, pain not elsewhere classified, if there is documentation of a psychological component for a patient with acute or chronic pain. Now that we have read the guideline, let's understand it in more detail. Sometimes a patient has pain not because of physical injury, but because of psychological reasons like stress, anxiety, or depression. Other times, the patient has real physical pain, but psychological factors are also contributing. Based on this, we have two codes, F45.41 and F45.42. Let's first start with F45.41. That is, pain disorder exclusively due to psychological factors. Assign F45.41 when pain is exclusively caused by psychological factors and there is no physical cause. For example, patient comes with severe back pain and the physician documents psychogenic back pain. So here we have to assign F45.41, pain disorder exclusively due to psychological factors. F45.41 should not be coded with G89 category because of excludes one rule, which means two codes cannot be coded together. So when you assign F45.41, it indicates that the pain is completely due to psychological factors and there is no physical cause. On the other hand, G89 codes represents physical pain conditions. If you go to G89 category in tabular list, you'll find excludes one instruction, pain disorders exclusively related to psychological factors F45.41. So both conditions should not be coded together. Now let's move towards F45.42, pain disorders with related psychological factors. Assign F45.42 when the patient has pain disorder and psychological factors are also involved. For example, physician documented the patient has acute post-surgical pain worsened due to anxiety. So here we have to assign G89.18, other acute post-procedural pain, and then F45.42, pain disorder with related psychological factors. If you go to tabular and search for G89 category, there you will find code also instruction, code also F45.42. We code both G89 and F45.42 because of the code also instruction under G89 category. G89 shows the type of physical pain, and since a psychological factor is also documented, we code also F45.42 to capture that. This gives a complete picture of both physical and psychological factors of pain.
Please like, share and subscribe to Expert Medical Coding. Thanks for watching.